once again, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Good morning po sa ating lahat and we thank you for your patience sa ating pagsisimula ng ating program. So welcome to our much-awaited TMOLE Team Building Activity 2025 with the theme Roadmap to Success, embarking on a journey of collaborative excellence.
Ang aking kortesiya po sa ating butihin at masipag na minister, Dato Muslim Inday Sema, at pagpapasalamat na rin dahil pinayagan niya tayo magkaroon ng team building sa araw na ito. Itong activity na ito ay magbibigay ng daan para yung closeness natin na 50% ay magiging 100. Magagamit natin yun sa ating trabaho sa pag-implement ng mga programa sa ating mga komunidad. So once again, welcome tayong lahat dito. Muli, sana i-enjoy natin yung buong araw na ito at kailangan mag-participate tayong lahat.
I-enjoy natin ang araw na to. So this is not just a gathering, but also an avenue for us to build stronger bonds among ourselves to achieve organizational goals.
By all means, no, lahat ng energy natin, lahat ng ibigay natin ngayon, ibuhos natin ngayon. Huwag nating lagyan ng barriers, no, para ho mas lalo nating ma-establish yung tinatawag na pagiging membro ng team. Kaya nga tinawag nating team building ito para i-build natin yung sarili natin sa kapwa nating mga.
There's a change in the wind that's blowing, and I've still got blood in my heart. And though we might not know where we're going, I promise we'll never be apart. Just pick me up and never let me go. We don't need much as long as we're together, together, together.
Napawawa ko sa mga participants in this team building activity. Alam nyo, team building is a necessary requirement in any organization, office, or small and large. Dahil dito nakasalalay yung failure and success rather. Pero kung merong magandang cooperation, yung team, teamwork, ika nga, even in games of basketball, baseball, football, kinakailangan ng teamwork. That is the idea of having this team building in our office, in our ministry.
Nakakalahati na tayo, 15 minutes left!
As long
was the best part of the team building so far for you?
Kahit hindi ka lead, plantilla, may naniniwala pa rin sa'yo.
Yes, yung tie the knot. Although very challenging siya kasi you have to coordinate without using words. Pero nakaya pa rin namin. Yun po. And the best practice that we have talaga is communication. Yun po talaga. Dahil kung may clear communication, makakamit natin yung goal ng kwa natin.